Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some Apple Watch accessories from Casetify. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. Let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes?
I love my...
Calm down. Okay, first up, we got the Apple Watch Metallic Impact Case. Now this one is going to run you $38. Now it's available for the 40, 41, 44, 45, and 49 millimeter Apple Watch Ultra. Now this one comes in three colors. You got black, silver, and orange. Let's go through the product features. Matte sandblast finishing, raised bezel for screen protection, durable and lightweight design, easy to install and remove, precision fit and design, partially made from upcycled phone cases through Casetify program. Okay, so you got your precision design and cutouts, brushed aluminum bezel for additional protection and a luxe look, raised bezel for screen protection. Okay, protection from all angles. Again, available for all of the different size Apple Watches. Okay, Impact Watch Case. Let's take a look at this one first. Now this is for the 49 millimeter. Okay, little pamphlet, plug it and file it. Now this is real nice. This has that aluminum trim to it. Okay, let's go ahead and slap this one on. Let's see how easy this is to install. You're just gonna slap it in just like that. Bam, there it is. Okay, now let me grab an Apple Watch band. All right, so here's how it looks installed on my Apple Watch Ultra. There's your cutouts. Everything lines up. And let's go ahead and drop this on the wrist. Get that maximum protection. Bang, just like that. All right, so if you got an Apple Watch Ultra, you need this. Okay, this is tough. Now let's see how it looks for the, this is gonna be the 45 millimeter. Okay, in silver. Now I happen to have a gold 45. So let's go ahead and slap this one on. Just like that. Now I changed it from gold to silver. Let me drop a band on this one real quick. But just get a quick look at all of the cutouts. And let me find something. All right, so here's how it looks on the wrist. This is the Impact Case. Now the thing I like about this, say you got a red Apple Watch or gold or blue. When you put the Impact Case on, now you can change the color of that Apple Watch. Now you can get matching bands and go crazy. All right, so this is the Impact Case, extra protection, aluminum, looks hot. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, let's take a look at the Flexi Band. Now this one is gonna run you $52. This is also available for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, Watch 5 Pro, Watch 4, and Watch 4 Classic. For the Apple Watch, 38 millimeter, all the way to 49 millimeters. Now this one comes in a bunch of different colors. Let's go through the features. Water and sweat resistant, soft and flexible, designed with ventilation, compatible with Apple Watch Series 1 through 8, Ultra and SE, print and customization, made from Casetify pellets. Okay, so this is the ultimate comfort with style. Express your style with our premium prints. Okay, so you could go crazy with this one. $52. Let's check this out. Okay, first we got this orange right here. Now I think this is gonna look hot with the gold. Let's go ahead and pop this one out. Okay. Look at that. Nice, soft, flexible material. Let me go ahead and install this in a minute. And we'll take a look at the black one. We'll throw this on the Apple Watch Ultra. Okay, right. Being too gentle with this presentation. Here we go. Okay, so we got the black. All right, so let me set these up. All right, check this out. Here's the orange on the Apple Watch Ultra. This looks so hot. Little Casetify branding on the buckle. I like the little gray tone. Beautiful. Perfect match. Now here's the black with the gold. This one is nice and luxurious. Here's how they look together. Now I want to see how they look with the Impact Case. So let's check that out. All right, so here's the impact case on the Apple Watch Ultra with the Flexi Band. What a look. I am feeling this. And here's the impact case with the Flexi Band on the gold Apple Watch. And again, this is one thing that I like about the impact case. Now I can change the color of my Apple Watch. So some days I don't want to wear red or gold. I can drop black and silver, just that easy. This orange and black is hot too. All right, so this is the Flexi Band with the impact case. Let's keep it moving. Next up, let's take a look at the genuine leather watch band. Now this one is going to run you $68. It's available for the 38mm all the way up to 49mm Apple Watch Ultra. Now this one comes in a bunch of different colors and buckle colors, and it's fully customizable. Let's go through the features. We're on the mission to set new eco-friendly standards. Premium genuine leather, endless color options, hot stamp customization, comfortable all-day wear, universally adaptable for any 20mm to 24mm straps. Okay, premium quality in leather and craftsmanship, comfortable all-day wear, give it your personal stamp. Again, fully customizable. Okay, $68 on this one. Genuine leather. Okay, let's check this one out. Peel this out. One more. Okay, genuine leather watch band. Nice and classy. Okay, let's go ahead and take this one out. Okay, Italian leather. Casetify stamped. Look at that stitching. Let me do the smell test on this. Definitely real leather. Let's go ahead and set this one up. All right, so I installed it on the gold Apple Watch, and look how classy this one looks. Little Casetify branding on the loop. Look at that stitching. Top quality Italian leather. So elegant. All right, so this is a genuine leather watch band, $68. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the big boys. Now, these are the ones I've been waiting for, the stainless steel 3-link band. Now, these are going to run you $98. They come in a bunch of different colors. You got black, silver, you got two-tone yellow and gold silver, and two-tone rose gold and silver. All right, so these are premium 316L stainless steel, water, sweat, and corrosion resistant, lightweight, brushed and polished finish, easy adjustment, compatible with Apple Watch Series 1 through 8, Ultra, and SE. Now, they do have some videos on this. This looks so sick with that impact case. Designed with style, crafted to last. Again, premium 316L stainless steel for durability, brush finish to prevent scratches, water, sweat, and corrosion resistant. Refined classic design. Okay, easy link adjustment. Now, they do have a little tutorial video, but it looks like simple pins. Now, link removal tool is included as an accessory for easy adjustment, so the band can always fit your wrist perfectly. Okay, so it comes with the adjustment tool. $98 on this. Let's check this one out. Okay, so this is the 3-link stainless steel. Okay, now let's see what you get inside. Now, this should be your tool right here. Okay, let's check this out. Yep, it comes with a little tool. Again, if you want to learn how to do it, just watch that little video on the website. But it's real simple, okay? Just like any other watch band. And here it is. Stainless steel. Now, let me peel the plastic off. All right, here we go. The 3-link stainless steel band. How beautiful is this? Little Casetify branding. Now, when you want to open it, press the 2 buttons. It unclasps. Snap it back into place. Easy installation. Just like any other Apple Watch. Now I'm going to drop this on the Ultra. Slap it on just like that. Slap this side on. And there it is. Now let's see how this looks on the wrist. Look at that. Now I might have to adjust it a little bit, even though I like my watches to be big because I like to have a little hang time. But look at this. On the Apple Watch Ultra, this is incredible. Now, of course, I got to drop that impact case on for the finishing touches. But let's see how the two-tone version looks. All right, so here's the stainless steel 3-link band in two-tone yellow, gold, and silver. Again, little Casetify branding. Same thing, hit the 2 buttons. It'll unclasp. Snaps right back into place. You can easily adjust the links. If you notice, I took 2 of these off because I felt like this one was a little bit too big. So now I got it to my right size. And look how sick this looks. All right, so let's try on the 2-tone. All right, so here's the 2-tone. Yellow, gold, and silver. And one of the good things is it does come extra big. So you may have to adjust the links, but that guarantees it to fit any size wrist. So let me go ahead and adjust this one. All right, so here's how it looks. Now I took off 2 links and it fits me perfect. Still moves around a little bit, but nice and snug. But that 2-tone gold and silver with the gold Apple Watch looks incredible. Nice and lightweight, has a nice shine to it. Easy to take on and off. Okay, just like that. When to put it on, snap it right into place. These are incredible. All right, so I got one more band I want to show y'all. Oh, matter of fact, let's see how they look with the impact case. All right, so if you want to use the stainless steel band with the impact case, here's how it's going to look. Stainless steel band, you're going to get even more protection by using the impact case. Still looks nice and classy, but way more durable. Now I got one more band I want to show y'all, so let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the stainless steel MoonLink band. Now this one is going to run you $108. It's available in black, silver, gold, and rose gold. And you can get it for the 38mm all the way up to 49mm Apple Watch Ultra. Now this one is premium 316L stainless steel with fine brushed finish, seamless butterfly closure clasp, water, sweat, and corrosion resistant, elegant, slim, and sophisticated look, easy to install and adjust with included link removal tool, compatible for your Apple Watch Series 1 through 8, SE, and Ultra. Okay, effortlessly elevated, premium 301L stainless steel for durability, butterfly clasp for sleek style, brush finish to prevent scratches, everyday durable. Now again, this one comes with the size adjustment tool, so it's going to fit your wrist. And there's the specs. All right, so this is the MoonLink band. Let's take a look at this one. Now we got stainless steel in black. Matter of fact, let me peel the plastic off. All right, so here's the stainless steel MoonLink band. Beautiful, look at that shine. Little Casetify branding. This one just pops open just like that. Butterfly clasp. It did come with the band adjustment tool. So let's go ahead and slap this one on and see what it looks like. All right, here's how it looks on the wrist. Look how elegant this one looks. Beautiful. And this one is my size right here. Now to open it, butterfly clasp. All you got to do is snap it back into place. And check this one out. Nice amount of hang time on this one. Stainless steel MoonLink band. Beautiful. Now let's take a look at the black version. All right, so here's the black MoonLink stainless steel band. Here's your butterfly clasp. Beautiful. Let's drop it on an Apple Watch. All right, so here's how it looks on the wrist. Nice and elegant. Now for this one, I took out 2 links because I wanted to have a nice tight fit. Look how beautiful that looks. All right, so this is the black MoonLink stainless steel. Now let's see how they look with the impact cases. All right, so here's the stainless steel with the impact case, MoonLink band. And here's the black with the orange on the Ultra. Now these look perfect together. Let's wrap this up. All right, so these are the Apple Watch accessories and bands from Casetify. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. And if you want to know what my favorite combo from this video is, the MoonLink band with the impact case. The black MoonLink band with the orange impact case is the perfect Apple Watch Ultra accessory. You need this one. This is going to be my new daily. You're going to see this in a lot of videos. I am feeling this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.